What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? How many of you are shocked right now to see that I have shaved my dome? Well, I'm going to tell you the story about that in just a second, but first let me show you what I'm going to be using for today's shave. I'm going to be going with some Barrister and Mann's Bay Rum, one of my favorite fall scents. And for the next couple of shaves, I'm going to be showing you all of my favorite fall soaps. So I'm going to go ahead and dump out the water in the tub here. Going to be going with the Yaqi Sagrata Familia here. Very nice synthetic brush. So, why did I shave my head? The other day I was in here cutting my son's hair, and I accidentally took a little too much off the top of his head, or I cut a little too much hair off his top, and he was really upset. So I asked him if it would make him feel better if I shaved my head. He said yes, so I shaved my head. He was really shocked that I did it. He was like, "You really did it? I can't believe it." The things we do for our kids, right? Actually, a couple years ago, before I started making these videos, this is how I used to style my hair, my lack of hair. I used to shave my head all the time. In fact, when I first met my wife, in our wedding photos, I had a shaved head. And I'm kind of liking this. I'm thinking I'm going to keep this for a little while. Less maintenance. When I used to shave my head, though, I didn't have all these products that I have today. I just used a Gillette, what was it, a Gillette Mach 3? And I had, and I just used a bar of soap in the shower. I'll have to try the Mach 3 again on the head and see if that works really good. I've been using my, what is it? Which razor is it? The Rockwell 6C on plate R3. And I've been shaving my head daily, and I've had no irritation or any kind of reaction, so that's a plus. Dome isn't as sensitive as my face. My face I have to shave every couple of days. I'm actually going to experiment. This shave tonight is kind of an experimental shave too. I did have a shave yesterday, so there's not a whole lot of growth to take down. I'm going to see if I can do one pass and get everything. I don't intend on shaving like this all the time, but I'm just curious to see if I can do an against the grain shave with just a day's worth of growth and not get any irritation. A little bit more water in here and we'll call it a day. Alright, that looks good. Got to grab a towel. I hope everyone is doing well and having a nice week so far. It is Thursday night as I film this. I'm going to be doing my drawing for the 300 subscribers this weekend. Or I'm going to do the drawing Friday night and I'm going to post the video. I'm going to try to post it Saturday sometime. I do got a pretty busy weekend, so I'm going to try to find time. The latest I will post the video is Sunday morning. Alright, razor I'm going to go with tonight is going to be the Gem Junior here. I haven't used this razor in a while. Yeah, so far it doesn't feel uncomfortable. There's a fresh blade in this razor. When I first started wet shaving, I used to try to shave daily, and it was too much for my skin. Alright, let's see how that is. Only a couple spots to pick up here. Just go ahead and touch up the spots on the neck here, under the chin. Alright, let me rinse off here and see how that feels. Awesome. I'm going to stop there. Yeah, quick shave, a nice shave, and man, is that razor really, really, really efficient. And I'm going to finish off the shave tonight with Ogalalla Bay Rum Aftershave Splash. This stuff is awesome. If you like bay rum scents, I highly recommend this splash. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Can you hear my cat? Every night, at this time of the night, she just walks around the house and she just, just meows and carries on. I don't know what it's all about. But every night, around the same time. Okay, well that's going to conclude this video, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you guys all have a great week and a great weekend. Take care. See you again soon for another shave.